Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist David Jones. Welcome to Whistler's Weather Minute.
Here's the snowfall forecast for the 24-hour period ending at 11 p.m. There's no new snow expected today, but in the following 24-hour period, the next weak system will bring 5 to 10 centimeters of dry, fresh snow on Friday. At the Roundhouse, the temperature climbs to -3 today, falls to -7 overnight, and rises to -4 tomorrow. Winds will be light at 10 to 20 kilometers per hour, a little gustier in the afternoon, up to 30 at the Horseman Hut or Whistler Peak. In the longer range, after Friday's 5 to 10 centimeters, a few more flurries are expected Monday, and the freezing level, sitting at 1,000 meters through Saturday, rises to 1,400 Sunday. Thanks for watching, have a great day on the Hill, and tune in again tomorrow.